Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chlorine tablets in a water tank. First, measure your water tank's capacity in gallons to determine the correct amount of chlorine tablets needed for proper sanitization. Next, gather your safety equipment, including gloves and eye protection, to ensure a safe process. Having these items ready before you begin is crucial for effective and secure water tank sanitization. Once prepared, dissolve the precise number of chlorine tablets in a separate 5-gallon bucket of water. Stir thoroughly until the tablets are completely dissolved, creating a potent sanitizing solution. Carefully pour this solution directly into your water tank. Afterward, completely fill the tank with fresh, potable water to ensure proper mixing and distribution of the chlorine throughout. Now, open all faucets, both hot and cold, throughout your system until you detect a distinct chlorine smell. This confirms the solution has reached all parts of your plumbing. Close the faucets and allow the chlorinated water to sit in the tank and lines for at least 4 hours. For heavily contaminated tanks, extend this contact time to 12 hours for optimal disinfection. After the required contact time, completely drain the entire water tank and flush all lines until you no longer detect any chlorine odor. This ensures all traces of the sanitizing solution are removed. Refill your tank with fresh, clean, potable water, and it's ready for use. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.